Let's make a shape park.
My tree trunk is a little wobbly. That's okay. Trees aren't perfectly straight anyway. My tree is ready. I'm making a tiny tree too. A baby tree. And here's a sun. It's so bright, it needs sunglasses.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever thought of turning little shapes into a big, colorful masterpiece? Grab your cutouts, some glue, and let's mix, match, and create something amazing!
Look! Sorrow! The clouds are all different shapes. That one looks like a bunny. And that one looks like a giant ice cream cone.
You know, the whole park is made up of shapes too. Look at that tree. What shapes do you see?
The trunk is like a rectangle. And the leaves are like circles. And the bench we're sitting on is just a big rectangle with tiny square legs.
Exactly. Everything around us is made of shapes. What if you could create the whole park using only shapes?
Like a puzzle? Or a giant picture made of cutout shapes?
That's called a collage. You can create anything by cutting and pasting different shapes together. Simple shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles can be used. Different colored papers can make the collage more interesting. Glue is used to attach the shapes onto a background. Let's make a shape park.
Okay, first we need trees. I'll cut big green circles for the leaves. And I'll cut rectangles for the trunks. My tree trunk is a little wobbly. That's okay. Trees aren't perfectly straight anyway. My tree is ready. I'm making a tiny tree too. A baby tree. And here's a sun. It's so bright, it needs sunglasses.
You can cut tiny black rectangles for sunglasses.
A cool sun. I love it. Look. We have trees, a sun, and I'm about to make a pond. That's awesome.
Now paste each shape on paper to create collage.
This looks amazing. Our shape park is complete.
This is so colorful and creative.
All made with just shapes. Can we hang it on the wall of our room?
Absolutely. This deserves a special place.
Next time, let's make a collage of our house. Or a zoo full of shape animals.
Now it's the time for quiz. What is the best way to arrange cutout shapes before gluing them for a collage? Option A. Glue them immediately without planning. Option B. Lay them out first to see how they fit together. Option B is correct. A well-planned collage looks more organized and creative. Which picture shows a well-organized collage? Option A, a picture of random shapes glued on top of each other without space. Option B, a picture of carefully arranged shapes with colors that go well together. Excellent! Option B is correct. A good collage should look balanced and creative. Which picture shows a creative way to use cutout shapes in a collage? Option A, a picture of a tree made from different cutout shapes. Option B, a picture of shapes scattered randomly without a design. Good job! Option A is correct. A collage tells a story or makes a creative design using shapes. You should always use glue in large amounts when making a collage. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Too much glue can make the paper messy and take longer to dry. A collage can be made using different materials like paper, fabric, or leaves. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Collages can mix different textures and materials to be more creative. Good job, kids! Next time, get ready to squish, roll, and shape some fun. Stay tuned for a hands-on adventure. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.